Mamata Banerjee's Trinamool Congress, which rules West Bengal, is being quaked by a series of quitters. Rebellion, quite literally, within the Trinamool Congress. Suvendu Adhikari has quit from all party posts and has sent his resignation to Party Supremo Mamata Banerjee. Another Trinamool leader, Colonel Deeptangshu Chaudhary, has resigned as chairman of the South Bengal State Transport Corporation. Chaudhary was present at the meeting of Trinamool rebels held at party MP Sunil Mondal's residence on Wednesday. The meeting was also attended by Suvendu Adhikari, Jitendra Tiwari and others. Meanwhile, Mamata has called Tiwari for a meeting tomorrow. Sources say Tiwari is in talks with the BJP along with a few more Trinamool MLAs. Mamata has accused the BJP of poaching her party leaders. This as the BJP says they will welcome the TMC rebels into their fold.
কোথায় গেছে বুঝুন বিজেপি সামান্য ন্যূনতম লজ্জা বা ভদ্রতা বা সৌজন্যতা নেই সুব্রত বক্সিকে ফোন করেছে ফোন করে বলছে দাদা একটু কথা আছে আপনার সাথে বসবো কত বড় সাহস তাহলে বুঝুন যদি আমার দলের সভাপতিকে ফোন করে এবার আমাকে কালকে কেষ্ট ফোন করলো বীরভূম থেকে অনুব্রত মণ্ডল বলো দিদি জানেন আমাকে একটা দিল্লির নেতা ফোন করছে ফোন করে আমায় বলছে এই তুমি তোমার সাথে একটু বসবো তা আমি বলেছি তোমার সাথে কেন আমি বসবো আমি তো মমতা ব্যানার্জির দল করি আমি তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস করি আমি তোমার সাথে কেন বসতে যাব
देखिए ममता बनर्जी जो बात करते हैं उसमें सच्चाई बहुत कम रहती है। मैं बता सकता हूं अपने कितने कार्यकर्ताओं के पास आईपैक का फ़ोन आया है प्रशांत किशोर जी का कंपनी का और उनका घर तक आके चाय पी के उनको कन्विंस करने का प्रयास भी किया है, लेकिन किसने किसको फ़ोन किया है बता दे। मुझे लगता नहीं कि भाजपा की तरफ से किसी को फ़ोन करने की ज़रूरत है, लोग ऐसे ही आने वाले हैं।
So let's just give you an overview of what this rebellion actually looks like in terms of the number of people who've resigned and are pretty much on their way out from the Mamata fold. Suvendu Adhikari is the most prominent. He's a founding member of the Trinamool, old confidant of Mamata, mass leader, MLA. He's quit and he's headed out. Where to? We don't know yet. That's a big mystery. Jitendra Tiwari is an MLA who has threatened to resign. He's been called for a meeting with Mamata tomorrow. Sunil Mondal is an MP who has criticized the party publicly. Colonel Deeptangshu Chaudhary, like we just said, attended that rebels meeting, has resigned as chairman of the South Bengal State Transport Corporation. So these are the four prominent faces who've either quit or are signaling their intention to get out of the Trinamool. But at this point of time, we are not clear where they are actually going to be headed. We have with us live now, Jitendra Tiwari, who is a rebel MLA of the Trinamool, live with us from West Bengal. Mr. Tiwari, could you give us the reasons? किस कारण आप Trinamool Congress छोड़ना चाहते हैं?
2 घंटे पहले आसनसोल नगर निगम के प्रशासक पद से इस्तीफा दिया क्योंकि आसनसोल में काम करने का माहौल नहीं था और काम करने के लिए जिन रिसोर्स की जरूरत थी वो सरकार नहीं दे रही थी। इसके ठीक आधे घंटे के अंदर मेरा जो विधायक का कार्यालय है कलकत्ता के नेताओं के निर्देश पर उस कार्यालय पर कब्जा कर लिया गया, वहां तोड़फोड़ की गई और जिसका विधायक कार्यालय से मैं जनता की सेवा करता था, उनकी बातें सुनता था जी, उस कार्यालय को अपने कब्जे में ले लिया गया कलकत्ता के नेताओं के कहने पर कुछ एंटी सोशल्स के द्वारा। तो एक तरफ मुझे बातचीत के लिए बुलाया जाता है, दूसरे विधायक के कार्यालय पर कब्जा किया जाता है एंटी सोशल्स के द्वारा और मैं तो एंटी सोशल्स के साथ लड़ाई नहीं कर सकता। मैं तो स्वस्थ राजनीति में विश्वास करता हूँ। स्वाभाविक रूप से मुझे ऐसा लगने लगा कि ये पार्टी शायद नहीं चाहती कि मैं इनके साथ काम करूं, तो मैंने जिला सभापति और पार्टी की प्राथमिक सदस्यता से अभी रिजाइन कर दिया।
जितेंद्र जी, क्या आप तृणमूल कांग्रेस से भी रिजाइन करने वाले हैं आगे?
जी, अभी मैंने तृणमूल कांग्रेस से रिजाइन कर दिया।
ममता बनर्जी आपसे मिलना चाहती हैं, क्या आप उनसे मिलेंगे अभी?
मैं मिलने वाला ही था, कल मिलने के लिए समय मांगा था, उन्होंने समय दिया भी था, लेकिन उसके पहले तरफ दीदी मिलना चाहेंगी और दूसरे तरफ उनके जो दूसरे कलकत्ता में नेता हैं वो असामाजिक तत्वों को भेजकर मेरा ऑफिस छीन लेंगे, मेरे ऑफिस का कब्जा ले लेंगे जहां से मैं जनता का काम करता हूं। तो फिर इस मिलने का क्या औचित्य रह जाता है? तो फिर मेरे पास इंडिकेशन क्लियर है कि वो नहीं चाहते कि मैं उनके साथ काम करूं। तो जो कोई नहीं चाहता कि मैं उनके साथ काम करूं, उनके साथ रह के क्या लाभ?
तो आपका बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम क्या है तृणमूल से जितेंद्र जी? बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम क्या है? आपने बताया कि आपके एमएलए लेवल पर कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स थे मिनिस्टरशिप से, लेकिन बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम है कि आसनसोल म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन बंगाल का सबसे बड़ा नगर निगम है इन टर्म्स ऑफ एरिया, लेकिन एवं सेकेंड रेवेन्यू जनरेटिंग ये सिटी है। लेकिन जब फंड एलोकेशन होता है तो उस समय इस शहर को वंचित रखा जाता है, यहाँ नहीं दिया जाता, जिससे यहाँ का ऑलराउंड डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो पाता है। उसके साथ साथ केंद्र की जो योजनाएं हैं उसको भी यहाँ पर इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करने दिया जाता है, जिससे कि यहाँ की जनता वंचित रह जाए। इन मुद्दों को मैंने मंत्री के सामने उठाया था कि मेरे शहर के साथ ऐसा न किया जाए, आसनसोल के साथ ऐसा न किया जाए।
जितेंद्र जी, कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि ये जो समस्या है जो आप बोल रहे हैं, ये सब उसका समाधान पार्टी के अंदर हो सकता था, लेकिन ये जो आप बता रहे हैं अभी, इसका इंडिकेशन ये है कि शायद आप बीजेपी ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं और इसलिए आप थोड़ा हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं ये प्रॉब्लम्स और एम्पलीफाई कर रहे हैं।
नहीं, मेरी बात को छोड़ दें, मेरी बात को छोड़ दें, मेरे अस्तित्व को भी आप स्वीकार ना करें, लेकिन आसनसोल शहर की जो समस्याएं हैं उसके समाधान के लिए आप क्या करने वाले हैं ये तो उनको क्लियर बोलना चाहिए जनता के सामने। मैं जो बातें कह रहा हूँ, यदि जो बातें मैं कह रहा हूँ, जो मुद्दे मैं उठा रहा हूँ, वो जो मुद्दे यदि असत्य हैं तो जनता के सामने लाएं कि उन्होंने आसनसोल के लिए क्या क्या दिया है। किसी व्यक्ति को दोषारोप करके इस एक शहर के साथ तो आप अन्याय नहीं कर सकते।
ठीक है जितेंद्र जी, आपका अगला कदम क्या है? क्या आप बीजेपी ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं, हाँ या ना?
अगला कदम मैंने जनता पर छोड़ दिया है, जनता जो चाहेगी वही करूंगा।
क्या आप बीजेपी ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं?
अगला कदम मैंने जनता पर छोड़ दिया है। जनता, पब्लिक, जो यहाँ के रहने वाले लोग हैं, जो मेरे राजनीतिक जो कर्मकांड है उसमें मेरा साथ देते हैं, समय समय पर मुझे परामर्श देते हैं, उन पर मैंने छोड़ दिया है। वो जो निर्णय लेंगे, वो जो परामर्श मुझे देंगे वही मैं मानूंगा।
जितेंद्र जी, शुभेंदु अधिकारी जो आपका पार्टी के फॉर्मर मेंबर थे, वो भी रिजाइन कर चुके हैं तृणमूल से, एमएलए के पद से भी उन्होंने इस्तीफा दे दी है। इसका इम्पैक्ट क्या होगा तृणमूल पे आपके पर्सपेक्टिव से?
देखिए, बंगाल में ममता बनर्जी के बाद शुभेंदु अधिकारी बहुत ही पॉपुलर लीडर हैं, बहुत ही जनप्रिय हैं, तो उनकी लोकप्रियता को यदि तृणमूल कांग्रेस अपने साथ रख पाती तो ये तृणमूल कांग्रेस के लिए अच्छा होता है। वैसे लोकप्रिय नेताओं को दल से बाहर जाने का परिस्थिति तैयार किया गया, ये तृणमूल कांग्रेस के लिए हानिकारक है।
जितेंद्र जी, आप, आखिरी सवाल, आप दल से बाहर आ गए हैं, शुभेंदु अधिकारी भी दल से बाहर आ गए हैं, कुछ और लोगों के नाम भी चल रहे हैं अभी, जैसे दीप्तांशु चौधरी और राजीव बैनर्जी, ऐसे कुछ नाम चल रहे हैं। क्या आपको लगता है कि जो आने वाला चुनाव है, क्या आपको लगता है कि बीजेपी ममता बनर्जी और तृणमूल को हरा सकता है?
देखिए, ये तो जनता के ऊपर निर्भर करता है, जनता क्या चाहती है। जनता का भरोसा, जो जीत पाएगा जनता उसे ही चुनाव में विजयी बनाएगी। भारतीय जनता पार्टी यदि यहाँ के जनता का जो विश्वास है वो जीत पाती है तो वो जीतेंगे। तृणमूल कांग्रेस यदि जनता का विश्वास, तृणमूल कांग्रेस जीतेगी। क्या होने वाला है ये अभी प्रेडिक्ट करना कठिन है।
लास्ट क्वेश्चन जितेंद्र जी, ममता बनर्जी का आरोप ये है कि बीजेपी पैसे दे के एमएलए, लीडर्स, मिनिस्टर्स, तृणमूल के जो है जो वरिष्ठ नेता हैं, उनको पोच करना चाहती है।
देखिए, हम लोग आज तक ममता बनर्जी जिंदाबाद करते हुए राजनीति करने आए हैं, तो आज अचानक जब मैं दल से अलग हुआ हूं, उसके आधे घंटे के अंदर ही मैं उनकी बात पर टिप्पणी करूं, यह ठीक नहीं।
क्या आपकी बात हुई है बीजेपी से? किसी से भी?
बीजेपी से मेरी कोई बात नहीं हुई।
Okay. Jitendra Tiwari there, who is one of the rebels who's quit from the Trinamool. Thank you, Jitendra Tiwari, for speaking to India Today. He says he's going to leave it up to the people of Bengal. That's a safe answer that, politicians in transition between parties always say, but he's categorically said that he's not had any, talks with the BJP. That's his word. There are other perceptions that are out there as well, but he's basically listed out what his problems are and why he's quit the Trinamool and has not met Mamta Banerjee. He says he didn't see the reason why a meeting at this time, would have any benefit. Look at the people who've basically quit the TMC. The TMC is quaked by these quitters who've all, left the party in the past. Big leaders, Mukul Roy, a former, big confidant of Mamta, he joined the BJP. Sunil Singh joined the BJP. Shubhranshu Roy also joined the BJP. Monirul Islam joined the BJP. Gadadhar Hazra joined the BJP. Anupam Hazra joined the BJP. Soumitra Khan joined the BJP. Sabyasachi Datta, well, you guessed it, also joined the BJP. So it looks like, the left isn't a player. It's the Mamta Banerjee ruled Trinamool Congress versus the BJP for this upcoming election. Nobody's even talking about the left anymore. Many people don't even remember perhaps that the left was a force to reckon with. Perhaps, if they are, we'll have to see in the elections. But right now it's all about the Trinamool versus the BJP. I want to go across to India Today's Manogya Loiwal, who's been breaking every story during this rebellion season in West Bengal. I mean, it's truly, when we say that the Trinamool is being quaked by these quitters, and we just had that conversation with Jitendra Tiwari, Manogya, every day we wake up, we're wondering who the next guy is going to be, who's going to either criticize or, throw in the towel and say, I'm out. But what are you hearing on the ground? Because it looks like while Mamata Banerjee is saying, the BJP is poaching, etc., there is some kind of damage control that's also happening.
Well, but it's too late. Even if there is a damage control, it's probably too late. If Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was in Cooch Behar, it took almost more than a day to contact and speak to Jitendra Tiwari one-on-one. And after that, he was assured that she would meet him on 18th in Kolkata. She's back in Kolkata today after a 3-day tour to North Bengal. And as she returns, all that is happening is there are more than expected exits. And this is just the beginning. I can assure you this is just the tip of the iceberg. But what is happening on ground is expected to be massive. The district level leaders leaving the party in Malda, 5 at a time today itself, speaks volumes. Now, these are big names that you might have been noticing. But for those at the lower levels and the lower ranks who are formidably even more attached to Trinamool Congress and have been a very, very important part and an important cog in the wheel of the turning around from left to TMC and then again leaving TMC now will be extremely crucial in days to come. Shubhendu Adhikari all set to join BJP this weekend, which BJP is expected to make a mega show of strength in Midnapur. Remember, Midnapur, the bastion of Shubhendu Adhikari, with many more MLAs together probably.
Manogya, thanks very much for getting us that update. I want to go straight into our face-off. Priyanka Tibrewal, spokesperson of the BJP, Biswajit Dev, spokesperson of the Trinamool. Welcome to you both. Thanks for being on my show once again. Biswajit ji, to you first. I don't want to sound flippant when I say that the Trinamool is being quaked by quitters, because but it doesn't look good, Biswajit ji. If you've got so many people throwing in the towel and none of these people are small fry, as it were, you've got MLAs who are, resigning from your party, Shubhendu Adhikari, Jitendra Tiwari, who we just spoke to, they all have problems. And whether or not they're heading towards the BJP, this is a real problem for your party.
Not at all. You see, first of all, Trinamool is the 3rd largest party in India. And we have 221 MLAs, 35 member of parliaments, and more than 1,200 corporators. So there might be differences and some people may opt to resign or leave the party on the eve of the polls for their own personal interest. But that doesn't mean that the party suffers a major setback.
But Biswajit,
anybody may come and anybody may leave.
It takes a lot for an elected representative. It takes a lot for an elected representative to resign, sir. There are people who are MLAs who have resigned. That's a very big deal. It means they have to go through the rigors of fighting another election. That's how angry they are.
I could not get you. Can you please repeat? Can you please repeat?
What I'm saying is, you're saying that people are looking out for their personal interests. But if you've got elected representatives, including MLAs who are resigning and quitting your party and quitting as MLAs, that's a big deal.
People who are living, the people who are quitting the party, the people who are leaving the party, there are several groups. You see, some are expecting that they will not get a ticket in the forthcoming elections. Some people, they are thinking that, well, it will be difficult for us to win, even if we get a ticket. And some are trying their best to go to a different fold altogether and try their luck.
Okay.
So this is you see, the political party, on the eve of any general election, such thing happens. If some leaders
I understand what you're saying. I understand there is a lot of turbulence before elections, but Priyanka,
nothing matters for a big political party
Because
like
Priyanka,
Trinamool
you know,
Congress.
while there
I
are
don't think-
excuses
I
being
don't
made,
think that will matter too much.
while there are some excuses being made about why these leaders are quitting the Trinamool, the leadership of
I'll
the Trinamool
explain
is
you.
pointing only at your party, Priyanka, and saying that, you know, don't think too much about why these people are leaving. That's where the pressure is coming from.
See, I think it is time that they should get serious in seriously analyzing and thinking that what is actually wrong with their party. What is actually wrong is what we've always been saying is their inhuman behavior, their inimical attitude towards the people of their own party, and not just that. See, we were speaking of violence, what they were doing with the people of Bengal, but today it is their party people who were in their party are saying that how violent is Trinamool. Just now Jitendra Tiwari was mentioning about anti-socials being and taking up his office. I mean, it was euphonious to hear that, truly speaking, because they were the people who were being so violent for such a long time. And now when it is upon them, see now the actual behavior of TMC is coming out. And we are not saying so. Their own people
Okay.
are saying that anti-socials have taken his office. Now, from this only you can understand what is the behavior, what is the ethics which TMC holds in West Bengal. And they are talking big, saying there are a lot of people with them. No, actually, people who are truly thinking about the people of Bengal, who are thinking about development, they are the people who are walking out from TMC. That is what Jitendra Tiwari mentioned, that Mamata Banerjee and the West Bengal government is obstructing in between the development of
Yeah.
Asansol. They are not letting Asansol develop. They are not allowing the central schemes to enter Asansol. Now, who will speak better than you just heard it from the horse's mouth?
Biswajit ji, you know, what
Rather
Priyanka,
than-
what
rather
Priyanka
than
is referring to is the interview we just did with Jitendra
I-
Tiwari.
I-
He's
I
got
have
very
understood. Let
damaging
me
things to
answer.
say. He's got very
Let me
damaging things to
answer.
say because your party says development, but
Let
Jitendra
me-
Tiwari,
let
who is an
me give
MLA
a
who has
reply.
just
Please
quit your
allow me
party,
to give a
says
reply.
your party
If
is
you want to
obstructing
give the
development.
reply, you are welcome. You please give the reply.
No, please
or
reply.
you allow me to reply.
Please reply, please reply.
Please
reply.
allow me to reply.
No, please.
Yes. See, first of all, let BJP stop spreading all these fake news. Okay. Let them first concentrate on the farmers' issue first. Today, the Supreme Court has categorically mentioned that
Separate
farmers'
issue,
issue
sir,
is a
separate
national
issue.
issue.
Let's stay
Sir,
on
we
the
are not
issue.
here
And
to
whether
discuss
this
farmer
law can be
issue.
kept in abeyance.
Let's stay on the
Let
issue.
them
We are
concentrate
India Today
on
does
that.
several
We are here to
debates on
discuss
this
the
farmer
downfall of
issue
your
also,
party.
including
India
here.
has commented, has said that, well, see that if this law can be kept in abeyance.
Biswajit
and
ji,
try
you're
and settle
diverting.
this
With
farmers
respect,
issue
you're
first,
diverting, sir,
which
to
is a
another issue,
national
which is
issue.
also a
Of
part
course,
of a
he's
different
diverting
debate.
because
Rather than-
see, there is no
rather than-
substance in what he's talking.
rather than
There
taking
is
over
actually
these
no substance
whole
because the
campaigns
actuality is
so
very clear
early,
in
Sir,
front of
in
people
each
like
and
a
every
mirror.
state.
With respect, in a
In
limited
each
time
and every
debate, you
state.
can't be diverting
Not
to all
only
other
Bengal,
topics, sir.
Not only Bengal.
Sir, the
You see,
treacherous
Bengal-
image of TMC is
Bengal
now
is a
very
daydream
clear
for
before
them.
the people of Bengal.
It's a
What have
daydream
you
for
guys
them.
done?
Let
What
me
have you
let
guys
me try and
done?
frame the question a little sharper.
It will be the same fate like Chhattisgarh,
Let me
Delhi, Maharashtra. What has happened in Maharashtra? What has happened in Delhi? What has happened in
Shiv,
Chhattisgarh?
I think there
What
is
has-
no substance in
has-
what he's
what
talking
has-
No,
because he
I
is
want to.
diverting
I
from
know.
the topic.
I want to
Same
get him to
thing.
answer a
It
specific
will be the
question.
same thing.
Biswajit ji, take my question. Then I'll just take my question. I'll try and frame it a little
Please,
different. See, nobody here is saying that the farmer issues and what's happening in Supreme Court is not something to debate. I am saying that on India Today we don't take
No,
sides. We
I know,
debate
I
everything.
know.
I am
But
simply
this is
saying.
the-
I am
this
simply
is the-
saying.
this
No
is the
matter
main
what,
issue
no
now.
matter what you say, sir,
This is the-
Biswajit ji, with
this is the
respect,
national issue now.
just hear my question. Of course, it's a
This is
national
not
issue.
what
and
I
we're
am
covering.
saying.
Biswajit
The
ji.
Honorable Supreme Court is saying.
Biswajit ji, come on, that's not the subject of debate here. Please, just hear my question.
Sir,
I am
please
saying,
be
I am
sensible to
saying,
answer his questions. You are diverting.
yeah, Priyanka, 1 second.
I know, I
am
know.
saying that this, all this
I have
looks
fully
like,
understood his
all this
question.
looks like,
But-
all this looks like, Biswajit ji, that, Mamata Banerjee, who otherwise is reputed to run a very tight ship, she provides pretty no-nonsense leadership, is unable to keep the flock together. This is reflecting on her.
Not at all. Not
This
at
is
all.
reflecting
I
on
don't
her.
agree. I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. I will again make a repetition of what I said earlier. Trinamool Congress is the third largest party in India. There are 221 MLAs, 35 member of parliaments, and more than 1,200 corporators. If some people opt to resign or leave the party, that will not matter much.
Priyanka,
It is a big party
No, I,
See, the actual clarity
you're
which is
saying
here.
the same thing, but this is, but it
There
is
may
still
be people
eliciting some pretty
who would wish to
ferocious words
resign,
from Mamata
who would
Banerjee,
wish to
sir.
leave the party on the eve of the elections.
Sir, if
That
it
doesn't
is
matter.
not such a big deal to the Trinamool, then why is Mamata Banerjee constantly attacking these people every day, saying they're going to the BJP, BJP is paying them, we don't need them anymore. Why
What I
is
said
the
now
Trinamool sounding so
Trinamool
defensive then?
Congress is a big family. In a big family, we would always want to see that the family is united. We will not want that our MLAs or MPs leave the party. But still, thereafter, if somebody wishes to leave the party or resign from the party, it's up to them to do it.
Priyanka, is
It's
the
their
BJP
choice.
speaking to
It's
these
a
MLAs?
democratic
Let's
country.
let's take a different track on this a little bit. I asked Jitendra
But
Tiwari
ultimately,
just
it's
now.
the people. Ultimately, it's the
let's-
people who will
Mr.
decide.
Dev,
for a
I'll
moment.
answer his question. Can you be quiet for a moment, please?
Let's for a moment assume that what Mamata Banerjee has said is right. Many things happened before the elections. As a representative of the BJP, Priyanka, I'm asking you, is the BJP in touch with all these, quote-unquote rebel Trinamool leaders, including Shubhendu Adhikari and others? You saw me just ask Jitendra Tiwari whether he's in touch with the BJP. He kind of sheepishly said, no, I'm not. What is,
See,
is the BJP
Shiv,
talking to these
our
people?
agendas are different. We have a lot to do for the people of Bengal, and we are completely concentrating on the upcoming elections and how we can go to them and reach to them and speak about the development and plans we have in our minds for future of Bengal. So we don't have time for all this. Yes, now this is the problem which they are facing in their house, so let them sort it out on their own.
But
They
if
are not
these-
supposed to interfere, nor are we interested.
But if these people want to come to the BJP, the doors are open.
Again, see, I'll tell you, if they have been honest workers, if they feel that they have worked for the people, if they are important to the people, and if the party believes, the BJP believes that they will work for the good of the people, then it is the prerogative of the party
Okay.
and the seniors of the party. I have no words to put on that. But let me tell you what is the reason why he has no substance in what he's saying, Mr. Dev. See, because the MLAs in their party were actually so compressed, they were not allowed to breathe in because only 3 people. It was a tripartite party, which was Mamata Banerjee, Abhishek Banerjee, and the recent Mr. PK who just entered in. See, things were still okay when Mamata Banerjee had decided to abdicate the throne in favor of Abhishek, which was not acceptable by Shubhendu Adhikari. And that is the reason he rebelled. But now, it is, exacerbated after the entrance of Mr. PK because he coming into TMC and telling people how to run the government and telling the seniors who have been working for last 25 years, 30 years, that how to make and advertise things, what they have done for Bengal, how to set up the report card.
That
is not acceptable by many.
Is that something that's on the
I
table?
don't
Biswajit Ji, you
agree.
can answer that.
I do not agree with her. You see, it is the government and the party is being run by Mamata Banerjee. She is the most popular face in Bengal. And she is a face which the people had supported and whom the people had supported since the last 10 years. And I am
Shubhendu
saying,
Adhikari was removed
confidently I am
when
saying,
he was the
it will
Yuva
be a
Morcha
third
president.
term.
He was
It
removed
will be a
and
third
was
term Trinamool
replaced by
government
Abhishek
under
Banerjee.
the
This
leadership
is
of
where
Mamata
it all
Banerjee.
started.
Take it for granted.
Biswajit Ji, what is the assurance that, this spate of resignations will not lead to more? The elections are still, many months away. And with all this happening right now, I'm sure it's going to be, it's going to hit
see,
morale. Many people in your party will also get ideas that, if big
It's a
leaders, elected
democratic
leaders like
country.
Shubhendu Adhikari, etc. are leaving, then maybe things are not
Let me
really
answer.
going
I
very well.
understood your question. Now let me answer.
Yes.
It's a democratic country. There are several political parties who contest election and who are in the fray. So it is for the people to decide ultimately who will be voted to power. Okay. Now, if somebody wants to leave the party, how can we stop it? It is their democratic right. It is their democratic right. They have used the party for 9.5 years. They were part of the government for 9.5 years. And now just on the eve of the election, if they want to leave the party, the people will decide. Ultimately, it's the wish of the people. And the decision will be taken by the people. The
Shiv,
people's
I'm sorry
mandate
to intervene,
is
but
final
I
thing.
am not saying
Priyanka,
that all
yes,
party people
add to
are
that.
saying that what they have done. what they have done in the last 9 years. They are placing report cards today, but their own people leaving the party, they might call them rebels. But what are they saying? That what have they done in the last 9 years? It was only the coloring of the city in blue and white, few lights on the flyovers. Apart from that, yes, we cannot forget the Sharda Chit Fund, the Rose Valley scam, the Narda, the syndicates, the extortions, the cut money, and where the acceptance comes from the MLA as well as the chief minister that yes, our party was eating cut money. So that is the reason that these people now want to be decompressed. And then
Please,
they are quitting
please,
TMC. And now they
tell the
blame us.
viewers. Please tell the
Accusations are
viewers.
us on, allegations are us on
Please
coaching.
tell the
Oh, we
viewers.
don't need to do that.
What
We don't
about
need
the-
to do that.
what
See,
about the-
he is
what
only
about the
saying,
One at a time, one at a time.
it is
Yeah.
he
What about
who
the
is saying
people who
that
have
these
robbed
people have
the
used the party for
banks
9 years. So why
and
didn't you
fled
question
from
them
the
when they were
country?
using your party for
What
9
your
years?
government
If
is
there
doing
was
to bring
any
them back?
malice, if they were
What
cheating and
your
looting people,
government
you
is
could have
doing to
questioned
bring
them
them
in the
back?
9 years. 9 years you kept them in the party.
please
Then you
tell us.
didn't say anything.
Please tell
And
the
now
viewers.
today,
Okay,
I
okay.
am
What
telling
your
you,
government
please
is
mark my
doing
words.
to bring
Shuvendu
them back.
Adhikari, be it Shuvendu Adhikari or be it anybody for that matter, whoever is quitting TMC, from tomorrow they will have, 110 cases registered against them. So when they were in TMC, they were all okay, polished. Once they have quitted TMC, they will become criminals.
All garbage of lies. Let me say, what your government is doing to bring back the fraudsters who has duped the banks, all the national banks, and who has fled from the country.
Forget
What you have
about
done
those
to
who are
bring
not
them
in
back?
the country. We are speaking
Tell the
about you
viewers.
people who have looted
The
the
viewers
people of
want to know.
Bengal.
The viewers
Yes,
want to
through
know.
the Rose Valley.
What you've done to
Yes,
bring
through
them
the
back.
Narda and the Sarda. You have taken, you have
You
eaten the money
first
of the
tell
poor
them.
people of
Okay,
Bengal.
okay.
What
And you will have to
happened?
answer.
10,000
See, my
crores,
devout hope is,
15,000 crores,
my devout
bank
hope
money
is,
robbed.
and
I'm
I
almost
request the
out of
people
time.
of
And they
Bengal
all
to
fled away from the
introspect
country.
and approve TMC.
So what you are doing to bring them back?
This is
Biswajit
my
and
devout
Priyanka,
hope
I'm
is
almost
this
out of
will-
time.
This
The
will
people
come
want
to
true,
know
I
about
am
it.
telling you.
I just have one
you
more
will
question.
be uprooted.
I just have one more question. I have time for just one more
Yes,
question
yes.
because, Biswajit
Yes,
ji,
please go ahead.
I don't want to make this a bigger issue than it already is. But the fact is, there is a history of prominent, Trinamool leaders who've jumped ship to join the BJP. It's not like it suddenly happened with these people. There are people like, the long list that we have on our screen of people who've quit your party to join the BJP. So there is a pattern here. So I'm wondering whether the Trinamool, I know that you need to make certain comments to show a brave face and say that these things happen, it's not a big deal, it won't affect the party. But is there some serious introspection happening within the Trinamool to try and stem this damage?
Not at all. I don't think this is such a serious issue. We don't think that.
Okay,
These things happen. In politics, this is part of politics.
okay.
This is a part of the game.
No, I'm glad.
We are not bothered about it.
Okay, I'm glad
We-
you're
we
saying.
have full
I'm glad
faith
you're
and
saying it's part of the game.
On the people of Bengal. And we know
Well, Shiv,
that ultimate
unlike
mandate
him, I
of the
believe
people of,
that if
of the
somebody
people
from
of
my
Bengal
party who has
will
worked
go in
so
our
hard for
favor.
my party for so many
Please,
years,
Yeah.
quit my
please allow me
party,
to speak.
I believe
I have not
it
interrupted.
should be high
I
time for
have
the
not
party to
interrupted.
introspect.
Priyanka,
what
let him finish. I'll give you time.
the
I'll give
people
you time.
When
Priyanka,
you-
let him finish.
when
Finish,
you-
Biswajit.
When you are saying I did not interrupt.
Yes, please finish your
allow me
point.
to speak. It is ultimately the people of Bengal who will decide. So we know that the people's mandate will be in our favor.
Okay.
So we are very much confident about that because it's a development on the basis of which we will go to the people.
Okay.
And we know that the people will stand by us.
I'm just wondering, whether to say that one of your founding members has quit is not a big deal, whether that really is the reality or whether
what
that's
I am
just something for the
saying- Shiv, allow
television
me to
channels.
come in, please.
Yeah, Priyanka,
It
final word.
happens in a political party.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is what I'm saying.
saying.
Unlike them,
It
see,
happens.
that is why I say that BJP is
So
a party
many-
with
so
difference
many-
because
so
unlike
many
them,
leaders-
we truly
so
believe
many
in
leaders
our
were here.
organizational
Okay.
skills.
The BJP
And we
also.
believe if this
So
should
many
have,
leaders had
if
led
this
the
would have
power.
happened,
So
Mr.
what?
Dev, now you are
It
done. Now
happens.
please let me speak.
It's a part of the political game.
This
Okay,
is,
okay. So
this
she
is
let
the
you speak, let us
difference. If we would, this is the difference. Unlike them, if this would have happened in our party, because of our organizational skills, we would have sat and introspected where we went wrong.
Yeah.
But people like
You have
them
no
say they are
organization
saying
in Bengal.
that it
Introspection
doesn't
is
matter.
needed,
It
sir.
doesn't
You don't have
matter.
any
A
organization.
person who has given
And that is
25
why
years
you
to
are
the party
depending-
doesn't matter to
you are
them.
depending
A
on the
family, the
leaders
Adhikari
from
family,
the Trinamool
did so
Congress.
much for TMC
You
to
don't have
bring
any
TMC to
organization in
power.
Bengal.
That doesn't matter to
You
them.
don't have any
So that is the
organization in
reason
Bengal.
I'm completely out of time.
78,000
Run away
booths.
from TMC
You
because now
tell
you
me.
stand in the
Okay,
party
okay,
who
okay.
only
How
speaks
many
of
booths
extortion and
you have?
syndicates.
You have your party workers.
Okay,
You don't have any organization in Bengal.
now we're sort of
Thank
going
you, Mr.
around in
Deva. I think
circles,
I've
but
already
like
given
you
my
said,
response.
the one thing I think we can all agree on is ultimately the people will decide. Jitendra Tiwari said that, Priyanka said that,
Absolutely.
Biswajit said that.
That is what I
That's
said.
the one thing that nobody can
That is
argue with,
exactly
because
what I
there's an
said.
election coming, whether we like it or not. 6 months from now, Bengal goes to the polls, the voters will finally decide. What kind of impact these current actions have on that end result? Nobody can predict. The pollsters can try, but only the results will be known once the voters cast their vote. Priyanka and Biswajit, thank you very much as always for being with me here
Thank you.
on 5 Live.